Nag-propose yung friend ko sa girlfriend niya and yung presyo ng singsing ay almost 300,000. And no, he's not a nepo baby. He's just your typical hardworking corporate guy na nag-ipon para sa girlfriend niya. And na-realize ko lang na as an eldest daughter, ang struggle ko talaga even when I'm in a relationship is to not feel like a burden. Ewan ko ba, financially independent na rin naman ako for years. Pero in my head, if my future husband will propose to me, okay lang kahit max 10,000 yung presyo ng singsing. Stretch na yung 20,000. But you know what? The universe will always remind you of the things that you deserve. Kasi bukod sa friend ko, yung last guy na nakadate ko, this is why hindi pa rin ako nakapag-date ngayon kasi sobrang tumaas yung standards ko. Yung last guy na nakadate ko, napag-usapan din namin yung singsing. And yun din sinabi ko, max 10 to 20k, happy na ako. And this is what he told me. He said, dapat, para sa akin lang to minimum of 2 months na sweldo ni guy yung presyo ng singsing. And he earns 6 digits a month. So, nung sinabi niyo yun, ang reply ko talaga is, ang mahal naman. And he said, it's supposed to hurt the guy financially talaga kasi lifetime naman yung ina-ask mo dun sa babae. So, kung hindi mo afford na bilan siya ng decent na singsing, then you shouldn't be proposing in the first place. And no, it's not about the price tag, but it's about how much the guy values you. So, to all my fellow single ladies out there, I know it's Valentine's Day, but there's a reason why we're single. We're single because we're waiting for that man who will love us, not based on what we're used to, but based on what we truly deserve. Happy Valentine's Day.